Stop sniffing your seat.
Sorry. Sorry, it's my lovely lamb's wool seat.
I like your top.
Do you? You can get these off our merch channel, apparently.
Yeah, ridercamtv.com/merch.
There we go. Here's my cat.
It's dead.
Right. Couple of issues with GSAs that people are very aware of.
Indicators.
Indicators, we've done that. Wheels that pull to the side.
Yeah, done that.
Yeah, done that. How about mud up the back of your leg?
Mud up your yin yang.
Mud up your yin yang. So, what can you do to mitigate that? That's
Not go through the mud.
There you go. Now, BMW provide a mud guard for the GSA on the rear. It's pretty rubbish, doesn't do anything. But lo and behold, on all these all these internet websites, you can buy mud slings.
Are there any other websites?
I've no idea.
Oh.
I don't do technology, you know that. On all the, on the internet, there's mud slings. I think Cymark do stuff. There's all sorts of stuff to stop mud going up the back of your leg. I've got a hugger on my bike. Cue the hugger. It's down there.
Right in there.
Right in there. I could put my finger point there. Okay.
Well, let's go underneath here. Actually, it might see it a bit better. There you go. There's the hugger.
My hugger, because I don't intend going off road. If I was going off road, I wouldn't have a hugger because you get stone stuck up inside it. But I still get mud thrown up the back. Now, I did hear somebody said you need to take off the mud guard at the back because that's only there for German rules, regulations.
Really, I think it looks good. It's like a
I think it looks brilliant.
Yeah.
And I've also fitted a little
flapper
to stop mud coming up the back.
Okay.
But I still get mud up the back of my legs.
Yeah.
So, bizarrely enough, I got an email from a well-known company in the Cornwall, in the southwest that does lots of BMW stuff and Wunderlich stuff. And they sell side panels.
Oh, do they?
How cool is that?
That's
so you
really
go,
cool,
side panels, that's what I need. Stop mud going up the back of my leg. So I looked into them and they were ranging from, I think, I saw one site in euros and it was nearly 200 euros.
Wow.
That was the Wunderlich site in Germany, obviously. And I looked in the UK and they're about 150 quid. So in the spirit of being a cheap git, I had a look around the internet and I found these for 30 quid.
30 quid? I found them for £19.
Well, I knew you're just trying to beat me. So, bizarrely enough, if you look at the websites, these are the bits we're talking about here. It fits inside the framework, so any muck comes up underneath shouldn't be as bad as it is, and it just uses 3 zip ties.
So it's one preformed bit of plastic, isn't it? With this bit here,
it is
preformed on it, so you just put it on top and then clip it round, do you?
Yep, that's it. Really simple, just like a mud sling.
Yeah.
Exactly the same.
How can that be 200 euros?
I don't know. If it falls apart in 2 weeks, then 30 quid. I still don't feel bad.
Yeah, but
about
how can anybody charge 200 euros for a bit of plastic? I know.
Plus postage.
I know that they've got to set the jigs up, the machines, they've got to have the design, they've got to have the right sizes and stuff, but 200 euros.
But listen,
is that per side?
No, that's for 2. That's for the whole bike. Okay, so you get one either side.
Yeah. And
there are 2 prices. Because obviously this is the 1250 GSA.
Yeah.
And we're going to be supposedly having another GSA coming soon. And then there's a 1200. And so there'll be 3 prices then probably.
Wow.
But you know what? Between the 1200 and the 1250, the frame hasn't changed.
No.
Yet the price difference was, I think it was about 30 quid.
Wow.
20 to 30 quid on some sites I looked at. So these ones here are for a 1200. Funny old thing that, isn't it?
Well, if you look at lots of the things that we've bought for the bikes, handguard things for the top of the windscreen, things wherever, even my mudsling, it's all for 1200.
Exactly, but they charge you more by saying it's for a 1250.
Yeah.
And sheep follow the herd and go, oh, it's 1250, it's 2020, I must have it. Don't fellas, think about it and look at it's the same frame.
Yeah. Even my mudsling for the front of the bike for the 1200.
I know. So I got these for 30 quid. Toby's seen them for
£19 and 19
I'm
pence.
gutted now.
I tell you what, there is a trick. Go on eBay, type in what you want, watch it, put it in your watch list and just leave it. The amount of people now that are selling stuff, that are sending out all their watches, offers and dropping their price,
Yeah.
it's quite amazing.
So 30 quid mine. And that included free postage as well, so I was well happy. All it is, 3 zip ties, go in there, keeps the mud down. And if I just lift up my sheep seat, you can see.
Well, it's funny because when you first showed me the other day, I didn't know what I was looking at because there's so much black stuff here anyway.
Yeah.
It actually fits in very well. It doesn't change the look of the bike.
No. And you can get coloured ones. You get multicoloured ones, and they're probably more expensive again. But black, who cares? I don't care.
Well, you could get them yourself and spray them, couldn't you?
There's the thing. I've seen somebody who's done that on their covers there. They've done that.
Option 719.5 if you do it yourself.
So, there you go. 30 quid, 19.99.
No, £19 and 19 pence with free
£19,
postage on
19 pence is
eBay.
the cheaper option.
Yeah. If you're asking for the link, we're not going to give you the link
Just
for it.
go on.
Have a look at eBay and look for side panels for a GSA 1200.
Like the video, give us a thumbs up. If you like the merch, go on the website.
I think there was a cup behind you, isn't there?
There is a cup.
Yeah.
Here we go.
Had to keep ourselves warm. It's freezing out here
It
today.
is really, really cold, but the daffodils look nice.
Oh, they do, don't they?
There's the daffodil.
And there's that blue stuff up in the sky.
Yeah, that won't be there long. Apparently there's snow this week. So we'll see you in a bit.